Welcome to Craftify AI tutorials. Today I'm going to walk you through our brand new blog post writer, and it is absolutely amazing how this works. So we're going to start off by going to create and then choosing blog post. From here, you can use a template. We haven't set them up yet, so we're just going to start from scratch. All right. For reference context, of course, you can add your business profile or use any services or products that you have. For this one, I'll just use business profile. And then you'll want to choose the objective of your post. Now, we can educate the reader, provide an update, storytelling, all sorts of different information. For this one, I'll just educate the reader. And here we want to put in what our topic should be about or a few key points. Now, Craftify AI does not need a lot of information and you don't have to make it all perfect. I just had this one ready to copy and paste, but just give it a few points that you want to meet, and then it's going to give you something based off of that. Now, you can also add a link to another craft or use a link to another blog post or inspiration from something else if you like. You can create a topic research or use question keywords, things like that to be a part of your blog if you want. Here under the advanced options, we've got our target audience. Of course, if you would like to send this over to a different target audience, you can. And of course, your SEO keywords about this blog post. These are also based off of your profile, but I'll go ahead and put in a few new ones for us here. Um, let's see here, blog post writer. All right, and then you can also choose your tone of voice. Now, the tone of voice that you'll find automatically here is the one connected to your business profile. If you'd like to change or add it to any of that, you can do that here easily. Then, of course, this is optional at the very end. You can add extra context for instructions to consider for your blog. Like you can say that I want it to be also translated into Italian. You can do that, and it will work. That prompt will help Craftify create the perfect blog for you. All right, I'm just going to click Craft Blog, and we're going to see what we get. Now, here on the right-hand side, you can see that it's working. You're seeing the brain behind the scenes is doing its job. And usually this just takes a few seconds for it to create the blog post. We're just going to wait here as this starts to generate. The blog post writer since this is a new one, it is very similar to the beginning, but it's got a much easier layout, much more user friendly. And all of it is also based off of our new design that you'll see in our other tools, like our social media writer, for example, our email writer. So it's got the same new look to it. Let's just say it's still producing great content just like it was before, and probably actually even better. So it's going to go ahead and also create cover images for you. The one from before didn't do that. So here we go. We've got our blog. It's ready to go over. We've got our title here and then our entire blog post here. What's nice is directly from here, if I want to change or edit, I can do that easily with all of these tools right here. Just make sure it all looks good. And then, of course, you have your images here. If you'd like to edit these visuals, you totally can. You can craft a new image, use stock images, upload. You can also edit on top of these images if you wanted to add a design element or any text. You can do that so really easily. Just a few clicks. Actually, I'm going to leave this image just as is. That's great for me. All right. And so just going through, we've got our blog. So we can go ahead and come over here to publish blog, or we can also save this as a template or a system template. So basically saying that this is a great blog start. You can use this as an idea to start from for later on. I'm going to go ahead and click publish blog here. And we can either publish now, we can schedule it for later so we can be reminded later on to post this to our website, etc. Or if you have an integration with Zapier, you can also do that where you can just immediately click and it will automatically publish where you need that to go. So We can also come up here to our blog preview. We can download that so it's easy for you to get all that information into one simple download. And here is your preview of your whole blog post and how that's going to look when it's published. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how easy it is to work with our blog posts, new blog post writer. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and we'll be happy to get back to you. And I hope you have a great day. Happy crafting.